concerts and abayimbi, their activity will start 2 weeks after the opening of schools. Because we want to first finish with the opening of schools, and then we deal with the other groups. Number 5, curfew will be lifted for everybody at the time of opening for the performing arts, but not for the borders. So after the schools have opened, 2 weeks, performing arts start functioning, operating. That's when we end the curfew. That's when we end the curfew. For everybody except borders. Borders banange mutusonye ebyama bingi nsonga za boda nyingi. The borders will continue to observe the curfew hours of 1900 hours, that is 7 o'clock to 5:30 hours. Shaha imwe y'ekiro to shaha 11 z'ekiro. You know the Europeans, they call night, they call it morning. And we also call it morning. You can imagine.